All right, in this video we're going to look at 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. I have two examples. One example I gave a short leg of 5, another example I gave a long leg of 8. Let's review our rules. Our two rules which you need to memorize. Hypotenuse equals 2 times the short leg, and long equals short leg times √3. So let's look at this first example. I know this is the short leg because it's opposite my 30-degree angle. I know this is the long leg because it's opposite my 60-degree angle. And I know this is the hypotenuse because it's opposite my 90-degree angle. So I'm going to find long leg first. I'm going to write my formula down. Long equals short √3. And then I'm going to fill it in. My short leg is 5. I have the √3. I just bring that down. My long leg is x. So there's my long leg. 5 √3. Let's look at finding the hypotenuse. I'm going to write my formula down. Hypotenuse equals 2 short. So I have 2 times the short leg is 5. That gives me 10. And that tells me that y, or my hypotenuse, is 10. Very straightforward example. Let's look at my second example. I gave it the long leg is 8. So I'm going to find my short leg first. I'm going to write my formula down. Long equals short √3, and I'm going to fill it in. X is my short leg. I'm going to bring the √3 down. My long leg is 8. Let's solve this. I'm going to divide by √3, divide by √3. So I have 8 over √3. What do we have to do when we have the radical in the denominator? I have to multiply by √3 over √3. This leaves me with 8 √3 over √3 times √3 is 3. So my short leg is 8 √3 over 3. Now let's find my hypotenuse. Once again, I'm going to fall back on my formula. My formula is hypotenuse equals 2 short. I'm going to fill it in. Y is my hypotenuse. Bring the 2 down. My short is now 8 √3 over 3. So I need to simplify this number here. What I can do is put 2 over 1 and multiply, use my rules for multiplying fractions. So I'm going to multiply across my numerator, which gives me 16 √3, and across my denominator I would get 3. This would give me y, my hypotenuse.